Hi, third grade. Hi, third graders. Today is going to be our last day working on poetry, and we're going to look at a very fun kind of poems. Alliteration poems. Alliteration is when you repeat the beginning consonant sounds of words, such as big, blue, baseball, bat. Notice that they're all words beginning with a letter B. Or round, red, robin. Here, all the words begin with the letter R. This technique gives a rhythm to the poem, and writing alliteration poems is an easy and fun way to write a poem and get creative. We're going to look at some examples of alliteration poems, and then we're going to write our very own. Okay, look at this one. A fly and a flea flew up in a flue. Said the fly to the flea, "What shall we do?" "Let's fly," said the flea. "Let's flee," said the fly. So they fluttered and flew up, a flaw in the flue. Here, the poem talks about a fly and a flea. The poem uses words that begin with the letter F. Of course, notice that they're not all with the letter F. So there's like said, what shall. Obviously, sometimes you don't find a word that starts with the letter F. So as much as possible, you try to use that letter. Oops, what am I doing? Okay, also it's playing with the meaning of words. So there's fly, the insect, and fly, the verb flying, and flee, the insect, and fleeing, the verb that means run away. Okay, let's look at the next one, dinosaur. Dinosaur starts with, has most words that start with the letter D. Dee, the dinky dinosaur, dines with Dopey, the dumb dog. During dinner, Dee dinosaur devours duck, and Dopey dog dines on dog food. After dinner, Dee dinosaur and Dopey dog dance. After dancing, Dee dinosaur and Dopey dog dive in the dark sea. The day was getting darker, so they had to drive home. That's a funny one, with a letter D, about a dinosaur and a dog. Dee the dinky dinosaur and Dopey the dumb dog. The next one is about a fish, and most words start with the letter F. Finley the fat floppy fish, furiously flying through water, fearlessly following friends, ferreting for food, fin flying fast, fantasizing about fish fingers. The next one is about ghosts, and most words start with the letter G. Ghosts glide across the golden grass, gathering goblins and grabbing grasshoppers. They giggle as they glide above the ground. Again, notice that not all the words start with the letter G. Sometimes you need to use like above, as, they, but most words start with the letter G. Let's look at the next one and see if you can guess what it's about. They're letter S words. Soft, smooth snow falls silently from the sky. The snow is so silvery and small. Slowly you slip and slide on the snow. Yeah, you guessed. It's a poem about snow, and the words start with the letter S. Next one is tigers. And we have words that begin with the letter T. Tim, the terrifying tiger, tiptoes through tangled trees, his twitching tail thumping, his terrible teeth, terrifying turtles who tumble away. Okay, so now we're going to try to, I'm going to guide you through the steps, and so that you can write your very own. To begin with, you need to think of a topic that you want to write about. And depending on the topic that you choose, so for example, if it's a dinosaur, you'll try to find words that start with the letter D. If it's fish, you find words that start with the letter F. Okay, so you have to think of a topic, and that will kind of guide your choice for the letter. Okay. Then you need to brainstorm a lot of words that are related to the topic, but not only related to your topic, that start with that letter. Okay, so here's where you're going to do it. So on the slides, but we're going to do it together. At least we're going to start it together, and then you're going to work on your own. So pause the video. First of all, think of a topic, and then I'll share my topic. Think of a topic that you want to write your poem on. Okay, pause the video. All right. My topic, I don't know what your topic is. I'll find out. My topic is going to be trees. Okay. So I'm going to try to find words that begin with a letter T. Depending on your topic, if your topic is, let's say, desserts, you will brainstorm words that begin with the letter D. If your topic is sports or swimming, you'll brainstorm words that start with the letter S. Okay, so my topic is trees. I'm going to think of words that start with the letter T. And I'm going to, first of all, think of words that are related to my topic. So related to trees. So I'm thinking of trunk, and then I'm thinking of colors, because I'm thinking of trees when the leaves turn. So turn is a good word. And maybe tan, because I can't use orange and red. I'm looking for T words. So tan might be a word. So just pause the video and think of, now that you have your topic, you have your letter, think of all the words that you can think of that start with that letter, related or not necessarily related to your topic. So I have trees, and I said trunk and tan, but I can also think of trembles and table and turn. And I'm going to pause the video and think too. Remember to write words, different kinds of words. So you want to write nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Okay, go ahead, pause the video, write your words. Okay, here are the words that I wrote that start with the letter T, because my topic is trees. Okay, I wrote tremble, torrid, to, tea, tap, tan, tip, tie, take, tent, tend, tardy, talk, tally, table, tailor, taking, tagged, tablet, tactful, tailwind, talkative, target, tantalize, tearful, tedious, testament, temporary, technology, technically, tangible, thankful, telepathy. I probably won't need them all, but it was fun to write all the words that I could think of. So you can give yourself a few more minutes to come up with as many words as you can that start with your letter, even if you're not going to be using them all. Okay, now the last step is actually creating your poem, which is the really creative and fun part. So you have your topic, you brainstormed all the words that start with a certain letter. I have trees and the letter T, you have your topic with your letter. And now you have to put them together, be creative. It can be a poem, a rhyming poem, it can be a funny poem, a nonsensical poem. You're using these words and writing your sentences, okay? So I'm gonna write my title in here, Trees by Mrs. Ferraris. And then I just started my poem. I haven't finished it, so this is what I wrote up to now. A truly tranquil tree trembles in the torrid typhoon, trunk trimmings turning tan. Okay, notice that I used most words start with the letter T except for A in the. Okay, we have, there's some verbs because we need some verbs, right? Trembles and turning. And then we need adjectives like tranquil, torrid, and we have nouns like tree, typhoon, trunk, trimmings. Okay. Okay. I'm going to keep working on my poem, and now's the time for you to start working on yours. You can use the slides. Like I showed you, you can write on this last slide, so you can read, if you want to reread the poems that I read to you. And then on the last slide, you can write your own, and you can add more slides if you want to make it longer. We can't wait to read all of your beautiful, creative, fun poems. Bye.